Hi guys, it's Sam here from Bargain.hunting.blonde, and today I am bringing to you a quick repair story in this little bag of my Victorine wallet. So I have had my Victorine wallet for a year in March, and I love this wallet. I didn't use it for the first couple of months because I hadn't switched out of my previous wallet, but once I started using smaller bags, it was really great. But I did buy the one with the rose ballerine interior, which means it's got the rose ballerine button. And I had watched some videos and some people were saying they had no issues with the button. Some people were saying they had issues with the button. And some people had put a clear nail polish on it, which I was like, I don't think I need to do. You know, I had seen mixed reviews. Well, I now would recommend that because I now have a new button on this little guy. So again, this is my Victorine wallet with the rose ballerine button and the rose ballerine interior. So you guys can see it is basically brand new. I've used it continually for about 4 months, but I actually had button issues within the first week of using it in my bag. And I will admit, you know, I do carry big bags a lot of times to work, and this just goes in my big bag to work. I do not put it in a special pocket. At the time I did not have a bag organizer, so it was just going in the bag. And literally within a week, the button was already starting to peel off, and I was really sad about that. So I actually took up to carrying it in the little dust bag. So like I would go to pay and I would take my wallet out of the dust bag. And I think people thought I was crazy. So I was in a Louis Vuitton and not my, I guess you could call home store. I was at the one in Valley Fair, which is a beautiful store. And actually I think I'm only going to go to that Louis Vuitton after the great experience I had there, which I posted about it on my Instagram and my Instagram stories, and a lot of people responded, and I was saying it's so sad for such a high-end brand that I'm so shocked to actually have good customer service. And I really did. So when I had taken this into the Palo Alto store, which is much closer to where I live, they had told me that I would have to pay for the button even though my wallet was less than a year old, and that, you know, it was only $35, but the wallet had, like, literally, especially at that point, I took it in like right when it happened, like a week in, and they were telling me I was gonna have to pay for it regardless. As you guys can see on my wallet, like there's no glazing issues, there's no wear to it. I literally, even this is after using it for like 3 or 4 months, they were not willing to repair it for free. I actually had gone into Valley Fair to try on a different bag, and I was just with one of my friends and we were looking around, and she saw me take out, because I was trying my goods in the other bag because I was trying to figure out what size and just couldn't decide, and I was glad I had a friend there. And she actually noticed me take out my wallet in its dust bag, and she kind of looked at me funny, and I was like, oh, the button got messed up, so I'm trying to make sure that, you know, the button lasts for as long as possible before I take it in to have it repaired. She's like, oh, well, we could take it right now. It would be free and I'll be back to you within 4 to 6 weeks. And I was like, you know what? She's so nice. She had been helping me. I didn't end up buying anything that day, but she was really nice to me and my friend. We tried on a bunch of bags. It was great talking to her. We were just talking about our lives and our jobs. And so I left this with her. I literally took everything out of it. I had no other wallet in my bag. Just put my credit cards in my bag and left it with them. And so I actually got a call and email from their repair specialist when I was on my way to Zurich, so back to Switzerland. And this wallet was ready in about 20 days, which is insane. The button was done within 20 days. Sometimes Louis Vuitton repairs take forever to get back to you. They had both reached out to me via email and phone, which is amazing because I can't even get the Palo Alto store to call me when my order I placed online is in the store. And she was super nice and conversed with me via email, and I was like, I'm in Switzerland, I won't be able to get it for another 2 weeks. And she's like, no worries, we'll hold it for you, just come in when you can. And then when I came in, it literally took me 2 seconds to get this. She brought it down to me, we looked it over, she was like, and I was like, thank you so much for getting this done. She's like, no problem, sorry it took so long. I was like, this is the quickest Louis Vuitton repair I've ever had in my entire life. And I was in and out of the Louis Vuitton store within 2 minutes, which literally never, ever, ever happens. And it was just a great experience. So I'm pretty sure I'm only going to use that Louis Vuitton store when I am in the States, and then I do have some great contacts in European Louis Vuitton stores. But I had a really great experience. They did a great job repairing this button. It looks brand new, the wallet looks great, and I will let you know, but I'm probably going to put nail polish on this button. I mean, a week is nothing. That was ridiculous. I do love this wallet. I mean, it's so nice that it's a small wallet that has the ability to put bills in it, and it has a zipper coin area. So I love this wallet. I do really want to use it, and I'm going to use it, but I do think I'm gonna do that to the button. So if you guys like these sort of reviews, if you like luxury hauls and luxury videos, please make sure to follow me by hitting the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video, which is about once a week. If you want to see how I style my bags and my luxury goods, or if you just want to see what I wear on a day-to-day basis, please make sure to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, which I have linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching today, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.